Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to get before after scan filter on your Instagram. So this particular filter was so amazing because it have a viral trend on Instagram and most lot of people getting more views like lakhs or in millions of views or getting from this particular filter. So today we're going to see how to find this filter on your Instagram, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just move on to the video. So if you want to know to create a after scan option, so you just have to make a you just want to make a image, countinized image first. So I just show how to make a countinized image with a tool app. So first see that. So after creating the image, just save to your device, and you just open your Instagram and click on the reels. Now you just click on the effect option here. So after clicking the effect option, click on the search option here. Just type as before after scan. You can find the first filter which was famous and trend filter. It has created more than 2 lakh views by using this particular filter which was trend, and there are many one get millions of views from this filter. So you just want to add the media that we created. Now we created a countinized image of our own now, so we just want to add that media to the add media. So after adding, so you just want to hold on and the magic will be happen. Just tap on the screen. And you may gain lot of views and follows for your Instagram account. Try this with a creative mind. Have a creative idea. Do your reel now. Friends, if you find this video useful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, like this video, share this video, and follow this channel for more tech updates like this. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.